I believe everybody who is thinking as a product officer has to always be thinking about what information is out there, how can I use it, how can it improve my product? Because it's going to allow you to deliver innovative services that you couldn't do before. The new world, which is not just software or hardware, but machine learning, represents some interesting challenges as a product person. Machine learning is in itself sort of a tangible concept, right? It's more of an approach and a technique. And so all the buzzwords are out there to talk about what machine learning is and how, practitioners would use it, but that's not speaking in the language of solutions and products and things that customers can use, actually. Machine learning and data is the way that you're going to be able to build the most cutting-edge products in the future. One of our main goals at Moove.ai is really to engage with the business users and the people in these fast-moving industries to say, how can we apply this information to keep you in a leadership position, to get you to take advantage of new opportunities? And as we've talked to these customers, there's a couple of key things that we see as our key value. One is being a source of what information is available and how it could be put to use in a transportation context. Or it could be a machine learning algorithm you want to develop for a specific use case. There's a whole set of information that needs to be collected and mapped for these new use cases. Weather, road cameras, smart sensors in city streets, the connected car itself. You want to line all this information up, right? And that is a dimensional challenge, right? It's just the sheer quantity of information, how you organize it, and how you process it and learn against it is challenging. And you don't understand the actual context of that information without location and time. Here is now implementing the open location platform, which is their evolution up the ladder here as we build these connected services. So it's an environment where you've got open marketplace of data sources, all the information can connect in the same place, services can run, applications deployed by the car company, by the smart city, by an insurance company. They're all going to benefit from real-time understanding of all this information. Here has been a wonderful partner and an important partner to Moove.ai. The history of the company is building some of the first software information-based systems that were deployed in cars, right? Navigation, mapping, and that's important because we're really building upon that. It's fundamental to all the machine learning that we do. We need to understand the roadways themselves and all the metadata around them. We want to include our data and build more intelligent, more sophisticated, more specialized routing on top of routing services that already existed, right? Not building something completely new. But then there's also delivery of the real-time service. The machine learning algorithms will actually start to understand slightly different models by location and time, and therefore tailoring decisions based very specifically on an intersection in a city, right? Not just a global answer across the entire transportation network. We don't think there's necessarily a new machine learning algorithm that needs to be fit to location data, but when you apply machine learning with location and time as dimensions in the problem, it lends itself to a certain set of techniques that are going to make that simpler. Understanding machine learning and being able to think through always evolving data services as part of the product, no matter how tangible or physical the product is, that's fundamental in the future, I think, to being an innovative product person.